right over there. So we're gonna get some food and then go fishing. Let's go. Alright guys, here we go. Worm on my feet. We are alright, we're putting the boat in. We're gonna go fish. Okay, let's put the see if the motor will start. I swear to God, please freaking start. I'm just floating right now, so if this doesn't, I'm in the hole. Shh. Crap. Ooh. Pretty over the lake down through there. Man, don't you just love that old motor? Smoking you out. At least you didn't do too bad today. Only left a little bit of smoke. Alright, anyway, about to pull up at the dock and figure out where our first fishing spot is gonna be. Sticking this little top water up there on the seawall. Let's see if it's going. Oh, where's Bass out there? There's a bass busting over here.
You don't have to have a weight on it. Because it's made to just come.
There was some fish just busting over here.
Very slowly.
Hey, there's fish right in front of us. Fish right in front of us. I don't know what's happening. There's fish right in front of us. I don't know what they are. They look like they were bass because they were like jumping. What the heck is going on? They were like literally 10 foot in front of the boat. There. I saw some fish. See those fish right there? Look at this little jerk bait. Let's see. Get your fish on this. Little bone jerky here. Okay. The fish might not be bass, but I don't really know what else it would be because they were like actually making some busting. Ah, crap. I'm really throwing everything at these fish because I don't know. I mean, I feel like there's got to be bass under them, even if they are shad. Dude, I don't know what they're doing though. Like, that wasn't a little fish. I mean, you saw the wake, right? I don't understand what's happening. Why are they just gonna pop? Jerky down. Just flip it out here. I mean, it's just kind of randomly ran over that big fish. So, oh, here, fish with this for now. Oh, right there's a bass. What just happened? Did you see that? Did you see the fish? See, it goes. Oh, right there. These fish are just busting. There's bass right there. Little feller. That might be what.
See those fish.
You can just see them on top of the water. That might be what it is. That might be a school of small bass out here that like chase some bait out. Look at there. It's a good little fish. Please tell me I was recording. Thank you. Okay. Bye, bud. It's a crappie. There you go. Have you got it? Oh, dude, the way you reared on it.
This right here is. If I get a bite right here, I'm paying attention.
Why
If
that?
I get a bite on the bottom,
Yeah. Get it, Mom. Did you lose it? It's just micro. Pull it up here. Ah! Second bass of the day.
it was something little because he just bumped it and dumped it again.
Ah. Yeah. Putting giants in. It's not a bad little fella. Dinky. Are you wait, did you put that garlic stuff on it?
I didn't put it again.
Oh, it's still on it? Maybe that wasn't what made me sick, but like I don't know. How about bud? It's kind of from the top here. Yeah. That's a pretty bass.
It gets on the bottom lip.
Huh. We got a little bass. Get him in here. Yeah. Oh, come here, bud. Stop. Go. Okay. And little bass. Oh, buddy.
He pulled hard. I mean, he was like.
Yeah, I thought when I said you hit set the hook. Bye, bud.
I cannot believe that's that little fish. I mean, he was like crazy pulling.
I'm really like trolling us out.
I mean, whoever did that.
So like get out of the water. We thought, well, anyway. No, we had it. I had the motor up, work it way back in the cove, but now it won't start. But the battery that should go to the motor is working the trolling motor. But anyway, that's it. I'm hand trolling us out here. I wish we're okay. Oh my goodness, there's massive lightning up there. But our trolling motor's 100 on 100, and it goes like our boat's idle speed. So we're still okay, but it's kind of a pain. I really hope we can get the motor started. But anyway, a little follow up on what we've been fishing. Y'all saw a couple of fish. We were fishing this little point with some grass on it. I was throwing a little top water around, but I didn't catch anything. And Mom caught a couple on Ned rig. Dad was catching his on a Carolina rig. And I had a good one.
Like you said, kept thunder on it.
It is. And I had a good one that didn't get hooked on a Ned rig.
Possible. I always thought.
But we're gonna try to figure out what's
I
going on.
always thought that.
Well, I put them all the pair of pliers actually, I think.
Well, that's why.
Ooh.
Damn it.
You okay?
Yeah. That's why, dude. You just put them on with your hands. That's why nothing's cranking.
Ah. So I messed this up.
You did.
Yeah. All right. Okay, so we got it cranked. It wasn't cranked down because I didn't use wing nuts. So. Okay, we're going back. I get my new nut rig because I messed up. Lost the tank. Huh? Fuck, go in your mouth. Dude, these bugs are horrible. Anyway, I lost like a 2.5 pounder here. I saw him bust against the seawall that we're fishing, and I cast a Ned rig up there. He ate it, and my drag was set stupid low, so I didn't get a good hook set. When I went to pull him in the boat, I lost him. But yeah, we're getting bites here, so this is a good spot. No, it's not. Is it? Yeah, I think it's Archie. Oh no! Come back here.
Nice little bass.
Dude, shit, that's point right now. It's wide enough. We usually catch fish in the daytime, but anyway, should still be good. Chill. Chill. And you have to point that loud right enough to camera. Alright. See what it is. I think it's a largemouth. Okay, stop. Yeah. That last one must have been a largemouth too. I don't know what. These are loose. Kind of like a mix almost.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. I know we didn't just catch some giant fish, but little tough, the big fish was not really biting good, but caught a ton of good spots. After my GoPro died, I actually caught my biggest spot, which is not that impressive. It's like 15 inches, but just right down the bank. Caught a ton of spots. I hope y'all enjoyed that. I promise y'all, I'm going to get some big fish coming in soon. But I really hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, drop a like down below. This is Elijah Miller Fishing. I'll see you next time.